Hi, I'm Paula Doyle. Today I'm going to show you how to do a favorite scrap quilt of mine called Itsy Bits and Wonky Strips. I don't know about you, but if you've been quilting for a while, you probably have those scraps that are left over at the ends of projects or even after you finished rotary cutting that are just too good to throw away. So those are my Itsy Bits. And then I have my Wonky strips. And the Wonky strips are basically anything that I have left that is 1.5 to 3 inches wide. They're rather nice looking. Let me find something where it's going to show up a little bit more. There we are. So you can see some of the variegated thread there. So this is another plain one here. I use batiks a lot in my work, so I had lots of leftover batiks and I decided to save them all and group them together. These blocks are slightly larger, and this quilt, I should point out, is been quilted by my favorite long arm quilter, Isabel Hall.